Today, we proudly introduced the MIG-315L PRO, a generator-friendly welding machine built for effortless handling of heavy industrial tasks. The MIG-315L PRO is ideal for heavy industrial use, providing uninterrupted welding with its 20 kilograms wire spool for extended periods. Its high-duty cycle ensures that no job is left unfinished, allowing you to complete projects efficiently and effectively. This exceptional machine incorporates a full digital control system, providing you with the freedom to independently adjust welding parameters. You can fine-tune the settings according to your specific welding needs, delivering flawless results every time. Now, let's witness the MIG-315L PRO's welding power in action. Whether it's MIG, MAG, Flux-cored, or MMA welding, this machine tackles each process with precision and finesse. From heavy industrial projects to intricate fabrication work, the MIG-315L PRO handles it all with ease. MIG-315L PRO serves various scenarios and will be your perfect partner for both indoor and outdoor tasks.